All right, today we're gonna bring a magnetic wristwatch replacement, and this is pretty good because they actually magnetize. You don't need to spend the money to buy something fancy. You could set it up on your iWatch. It's very simple. So today we're gonna go ahead and set it up and see how you do it. So right now we're not gonna remove the plastic. We're just gonna leave the plastic on, and we're gonna go ahead and upgrade this watch right here. This one's already outdated. It's the original band, and we're gonna go ahead and remove it. Now, either way, because they're both the same, you could just do it. All right, so let's go ahead and remove it. So the way you do it, you push the button, you slide it. Look how dirty that thing is. Clean it up as much as possible. You push the button again and you slide the other one back, lock it in place, and there you have one right there. Do the same thing, push the button here, slide it out. There we go. Perfect. All right, if you guys can see, the magnets are right here. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 magnets, and then the same side on the other side. So basically you got the watch ready. Put this on the bottom, magnetize it. It stays fit, it won't move. You could adjust it how you want, and these are the old ones, the original ones that we had compared to the new ones. I like it. This is fancy, this is nice and inexpensive, easy to replace. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.